Click on the link below to get price. The Fully Automatic Embroidery Machine is designed with beginners in mind, offering a user-friendly experience that simplifies the process of embroidery and sewing. With its modern features and intuitive interface, this machine is a suitable choice for those looking to explore the world of fabric arts. One of the standout features of this machine is the LED touchscreen, which provides clear visibility and straightforward navigation through various settings and functions. This screen allows users to select from a wide array of pre-installed designs and patterns, making it easy to get started right away. The machine comes equipped with 100 built-in embroidery designs, which cater to various tastes and styles, ensuring that users have ample choices for their projects. The fully automatic functionality of this embroidery machine significantly reduces the manual effort traditionally associated with sewing and embroidery. This means that users can enjoy the creative aspects of their projects without being bogged down by complex settings or tedious setup processes. The machine also features an automatic needle threader, which is another thoughtful addition that simplifies the task of preparing for stitching. In terms of usability, this machine is tailored to accommodate beginners. The intuitive design features clear instructions, which can help users familiarize themselves with different functions quickly. Additionally, the machine handles a variety of fabric types, from light cottons to heavier materials, making it versatile for various sewing projects. This adaptability can be particularly beneficial for users who wish to experiment with different techniques and fabric choices. As for maintenance, the machine is relatively easy to care for, which can be an important consideration for those who may be new to sewing. Regular cleaning and oiling will help ensure that it continues to function smoothly over time. In conclusion, the fully automatic embroidery machine serves as a practical entry point for those interested in embroidery and sewing. With its LED touchscreen, extensive library of designs, and user-friendly automated features, it provides a solid foundation for beginners to explore their creativity in textile arts. Whether you are creating personalized gifts or simply enjoying a new hobby, this machine offers the necessary tools to embark on your sewing journey.